Well guys, remember when I said I'd be stuck the next day? Yeah, it kind of got plowed in a little bit, but it's currently -1 Fahrenheit with a -17 wind chill. So we're going to see how the Cavalier starts. And the door's not frozen shut. Oh, okay. You could see my breath on the camera. The camera's recording in a very low frame rate because it doesn't like the nighttime, but windshield and everything is very, very frozen. So, okay. Heat off because there isn't any. -1 degrees. I'm going to point the camera out here and try to get it away from the base. And here we go. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh! Oh, she stalled. There it goes. Battery's really low. So it actually started and died. Whew. Take a look at the exhaust, shall we? Oh, not bad. No smoke. Whew. That was close. So that 5-year-old Interstate's getting a little low on cranking power when it's in the negatives. But I'm gonna let this sit here and warm up for a good 20 minutes and put a charge on that battery. So I'll talk to you guys later. Hope you enjoyed the quick little 2-minute cold start. See you guys.